Poor guy. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely destroyed. Look at all that corrosion. Ready for paint. Auto paint. So I'm just doing a light coat here first, making sure to get an even spray pattern. See how it just brings that color back. All right, next step is the masking tape. We want a really clean line here for the red running board before we spray it. Body looks great. Now the face. All right, so we're mixing up this gray epoxy. We'll roll it into a little ball and then carefully press it right into that empty spot for the nose. All right, let's get these eyes painted. We're using a fine brush here to make sure the outlines are perfect before we fill them in. Hello there. All right, let's get these eyebrows just right. And now for that famous smile. Look at that, perfect. Just a tiny dot here.
No more scary face.
And with the new battery connected, let's see if she runs. Okay, hit the pedal, and there we go.
Finally found a replacement.
Just a few gentle taps here to secure this cap nut. There we go, nice and tight now. Listen to that, smooth as silk. The chassis is finally complete and the wheels are rolling perfectly now. All right, just trimming these red stripes now before we apply them to the side tanks. Just in time for his birthday.
Look what I fixed for you! Happy birthday, buddy! Wow, Thomas, he's perfect.
Thomas.
He's fixed.
Up on, buddy.
Push the button, let's see it go.
Whoa, look, Dad, it's really moving.
Happy birthday, son.